We have to use a variety of ropes for different application, for different lifting purposes. In this video we will understand how to calculate SWL, or we can call it as WLL of ropes if the load chart is not provided with you. So basically SWL is say working load limit and WL is working load limit. In the case of rope, it is generally preferred to call SWLL as WLL. Okay. In the case of crane etc., we call it as SWL, but for the rope we generally call it as WLL, working load limit. Okay. Sometimes these are synonyms as WL or WLL. So in this video we will understand how we have to find out the capacity or the WLL of the rope. First case is the Manila rope. First case is which case is Manila rope. Manila rope. First is Manila rope. Okay. For this case, for the Manila rope case, first of all, we must have the diameter in inches. Okay. If it is not given in inches, then you have to convert. If it is given in then you have to convert it into inches basically. So it is funda, simple funda. You have to first convert the diameter into the inches. Now the second step, it is called as first step, you have to convert this diameter in inches into 1/8 of the diameter. 1/8 of the diameter in inches. You have to convert this diameter in inches into 1/8 of the diameter into inches. After this conversion, there is some numerator and there is some denominator. Then this WLL of this is given by numerator ka square into 20. Okay. Let us take a simple case, then you will easily understand. Suppose there is a half-inch Manila rope. Half-inch Manila rope is there. Half-inch Manila rope. Okay. Now this is half-inch. Already it is half inch, it is in 1 inch. So half inch, if I want to convert half inch into 1/8 of the inch, then if I multiply 4 and 4 at both up and down, then it becomes 4/8. Now it is a multiple of 4. It is basically what it becomes, 4 into 1/8. So we have to convert in this manner. Now it is 4 into 1/8. Okay. Now this is 4/8. Now numerator is 4 and denominator is 8. So what is numerator ka square into 20? So 4 ka square into 20. 4 4 are 16 into 20. So it becomes 320 pounds. 320 pounds. Okay. It is clear to you. It becomes 320 pounds. If you want to convert pounds into kg basically, kg, then 1 pounds, 1 lbs is equal to 0.45 kg almost. You can use this conversion. Okay. It is basically very simple thing. Hope you this is clear to you all. This is the case of the Manila rope. Now let us suppose there is some nylon rope. Now ropes are various different types of ropes are there. Now let us say this is nylon rope. Nylon rope is there. The nylon rope, the same thing. Change the rope diameter into 1/8 of inch. 1/8 of inch. Same thing you have to do again. And square the numerator ka square into 60. Okay. In the Manila rope, you are multiplying numerator square into 20. Here you have to multiply numerator ka square into 60. Let us again case half inch. Half inch is converted into 1/8 of inch as 4/8. Now 4 square into 60. Then it becomes 4 the 16 6 ja 96 to 96 pound 960 pounds basically. So in this way you can easily calculate. Similarly, if there is 1 inch 1 inch rope is there, so if I want to convert 1 inch, then I have to multiply by 8 and I have to divide by 8. That is basically 8/8. Then 8 square into 60. 8 is the 64 into 60. That is 3840 pounds. Always remember the value that is being calculated using this logic is in pounds. Okay. This is nylon, but the basic funda is same. You have to convert diameter into 1/8 of the inches, and then you have to square the numerator. In the case of Manila rope, you have to multiply numerator into 20. In the case of nylon rope, you have to multiply numerator ka square into 60. Now let us consider another case apart from the nylon case. Then baby, polypropylene rope may be there. Okay. Polypropylene rope. If someone asks you how to identify, then the procedure is same. For the polypropylene rope, it is n square into 40. Simple. If that is half of the inch, then 4 square into 40, so it comes out to be 640 pounds. Okay, this is polypropylene rope. Similarly, for the polyester rope, polyester rope, if the rope is made up of polyester, okay, the polyester rope, it is same. You have to convert again everything same, but you have to multiply by 60, n square into 60. Okay, this is the polyester rope. If it is polyethylene rope, then it is basically n square into 35, n square into 35. You can usually calculate. Okay, hope this is clear up to you. So I am again repeating the simple formula that you have to remember, the general case. First of all, you have to convert diameter into inches. Okay, then convert this diameter into 1/8 of inches. After converting this 1/8 of the inches, there is some numerator and there is some denominator. Then numerator का square is in everywhere, numerator square is in everywhere. ठीक है, and I am just writing the answer. Manila, in the case of Manila rope, it is n square into 20 in the case of Manila rope. In the case of nylon rope, it is basically n square. In the case of nylon rope, n square into 60, basically n square into 60. Okay, in the case of nylon. In the case of polypropylene rope, it is basically n square into 40. Okay, in the case of polyester rope, it is basically n square into 60, and whatever n square is common in everyone. N square means numerator ka square. Okay, it is simple, it is basically simple. There is no need to worry about this. ठीक है, and last is the polyethylene rope, polyethylene rope, polyethylene, polyethylene rope. For that, n square into 35. For that, n square into 35. You to take the screenshot of this, then it will be more than enough. Okay, this is okay, 20, 60, 40, 60, 35. In this way you can identify for this ropes basically. Now there is one other rope, wire rope. Okay, now there is another rope is wire rope. For this wire rope, this formula is generally known by everyone. It is simple, 8 into d square. But here in our formulas, whatever the WLL coming, that is coming in pounds, lbs. Okay, and 1 pounds is equal to 0.45 kg. Okay, it is clear to you. Okay, now here it is wire rope. Wire rope में 8 into d square. Here the WLL is comes out to be 8 into d square for 1 inch diameter. Direct 8 into 1 for 1 inch diameter of the half inch diameter लेते हैं. Half for the 1 inch diameter, that is 8 into 1 into 1, 8. For the half inch diameter, 8 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, then it is 2. Now this figure that basically comes out is basically tons, 2 tons and 8 tons. Okay, if you are using a wire rope of 1 inch diameter, then its working load limit comes out to be 8 ton. If diameter is half, then working load limit comes out to be 2 ton. So 8 into d square is the simple formula. Suppose there is a 5 by 8 inch rope, then the 8 into d square, 5 by 8 into 5 by 8. This 8 comes out, 5 is 25 by 8, that is 3.125, and it is in tons. Hope this is clear to you. Just in the case of Manila, nylon, synthetic ropes, polypropylene, polyester, polyethylene, there is numerator ka square and there is a multiplication factor over there. Okay, you can calculate using that. But in the case of wire ropes, it is simply 8 into d square and 8 into d square, and the above it gives in the pounds, but in this it gives in the tons. Hope this video clears the doubt regarding all types of rope. Hope you like this lecture. Keep supporting, subscribe. Thank you.